Hello and what is going on, guys? It's your boy Miguel here, coming back at you with yet another unboxing video. Welcome back to the Miguel EDC channel, where we do everything EDC. And today, as you can tell by the title and thumbnail of the video, we're going to be unboxing a Demko 20.5 20.5 here. I'm so excited to unbox this guy. I'm so excited to have a shark lock knife in my arsenal, so I'm so happy for that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it did come in this plastic box. I kind of wish it was a more presentable sort of packaging, right, for the price, especially for what we're paying. This knife actually comes in at around $159.99, so $160 before tax, right? And it does have the gravery handle, and this one is the shark's foot blade. Keep that in mind. Affiliate links will be in the description, so that they do help out the channel at no extra cost to you, but that is totally up to you if you want to go ahead and check them out. They will be in the description below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this guy here, right? It slides up right here. I wish I could get a better ASMR, but it's try not to make sure nothing goes swinging or flying across the room. Here it is. All right, take the knife right out. It is on this plastic bag or plastic covering right there. There is a clip, so if you're left-handed, you could do a left-handed clip right there. Put this guy back. There it is. Leave the box right here somewhere in frame so you can see what that looks like. And boom, here it is, guys. Here's the Demko 20.5, the infamous shark's lock mechanism right here. So I'm excited to flip open this guy. Let's just go ahead and do it, right? Let's get it over with. Oh my goodness, right out of the box. That is insane. That is insane. I can see what all the hype was all about right out of the box. Check that out. Oh. And the sound is just ridiculous. It sounds like no other knife out there. That is insane. And of course, you got the thumb deployment as well, so you can deploy it with your thumb. Always helps if you give it a little bit of a swing, I think, right? And reverse flick, of course, right down here with my index finger. Oh, there it is. All right, so this one is in the gravery, gray gravery handles right there. It does have, the blade is going to be AUS 10A. See if the camera can focus right over here. Right, it does say Taiwan right there on the blade. These knives are made over in Taiwan. I think the idea with these is that Demko was only able to provide you with the shark's lock design at an affordable price if the knife was made overseas, if it was not made in the States. This knife was made in the States, like the actual Demko AD20, not the .5, but the real AD20, which is, you know, much bigger knife. Same design, but a little bit bigger. Made in the US, I mean, we're talking way more money, way more money. But it is a stone wash finish right there, right? Like the stone wash. Right, that way when you cut into things, right, if there's any type of markings, right, they kind of blend in very well. All right, it is very thick right here, guys. Look at the thickness right there. It is very thick. Right here, I like the jimping right there. That is very nice. By the way, funny story, on my earlier videos I kept calling this the jimping for whatever reason, with the sound, right? The jimping, but it's the jimping, right? And so this one is on the shark's foot blade design. By the way, spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the other unboxing video, yes, I did get this guy in the clip point version also, right? So a funny story, guys. I was really considering getting either one of these in the titanium version. I think it goes, the full titanium version goes for around $375. Long story short, I sat there for days and days thinking about it. say, hey, I should really add a premium knife to my arsenal. It's really going to help out the channel for comparison purposes and this and that. But as long as I thought about it, right, and I kept trying to rationalize that in my head and think through it, this wasn't the time for me. Maybe at some point in the future, but right now, the best decision, I believe, in my opinion, that I did is actually getting both versions, right? Even if it's on the entry, you know, AUS 10 and Gravery and what have you, but at least I'm able to get both, and I still save like a good $75 or so, you know, from getting that titanium $375 version. So I really wanted it. For what it's worth, I'm still getting the Sharks lock experience. I'm getting to EDC 2 different knives with 2 different blades, and that to me was worth it. And again, they come in, links in the description. Both of these are the same price over in Amazon, so $159.99 or $160 for both the Sharks foot and the clip point, right? So both can be found on Amazon, links in the description below, right, if you want to check them out. But yeah, very, very excited to have these as part of my arsenal. You're probably wondering, what do they look like next to the other knives, right? Next to the other knives that you have on the table. Well, I have some Spyderco knives here, which I'm EDCing right now as we speak. And I did some unboxing on these guys in the channel as well. So if you haven't checked them out, go ahead and do so. I'm so excited to also have some Spyderco in my arsenal. And yeah, I'm going to be dropping a review for these guys here very soon. If you'd like to check that out, make sure to like and subscribe. But here is the Spyderco Smock, right? The handle is a little bit bigger. The blade, you know, it kind of sticks out a little bit more because of this pointy edge right there and where the blade starts. The, of course, infamous Paramilitary 2, right? That's a little bit bigger, I think, for sure. Yep, it sticks out. The handle is bigger, even the blade is a little bit longer. And the Para 3. If sometimes I wish I had bigger hands, but yeah, this is what I got. So barely can fit 4 of them in my hand right there before I catch a cramp. But yeah, there's the Demko AD20.5 next to Spyderco Smock, Spyderco Paramilitary 2, and the Para 3, right? So take a look, guys. If there's anything specific, and by the way, these are all satin finish. This one is stone wash, so that's why you see a little bit of a difference there when the light hits it. But if there's anything specific that you'll like to see, right? Anything specific that you'll like to see when I do the review, anything specific that you want me to test or give you feedback on or whatever, let me know in the comments, right? Let me know below what specifically do you want me to answer, what questions do you want me to answer for you when I do the review. If you're considering getting one of these guys, right, what is the main decision factor or the main piece of information that you're looking to gather, right, that would help either make the final decision or not, or make up your mind, or maybe postpone it for the future. I did wish that there was the more premium pivot screw right here versus this one, the Demko Knives and 1-pin PA is kind of printed into the Gravery there instead of being that premium pivot screw. I know they do have those on the more premium versions, but yeah, other than that, again, Shark's foot lock. I mean, not Shark's foot, but Shark lock. Shark lock. This is unlike any other knife that I have. Honestly, this is a whole different, unique experience, and I got Metal Complex to thank for that, because Metal Complex is yeah, he's been really hyping these, and in a good way, right? Because he loves them, he likes them, and I can see why, right? I've seen tons of his videos, and Metal Complex in the remote scenario that you're watching this video. Yeah, thank you for all your feedback, thank you for all of your reviews, right, on the Demko AD20, Demko AD20.5. All that information was very, very helpful when deciding whether to get this knife or not. Right out of the box, it is pretty well aligned right there, right? So I can tell, yeah, the quality is very, very substantial. Same with the clip point, right? Find a way to share them both side by side here so you can see. All right, you guys be the judge of that. Let me know in the comments. All right, but that looks very, very aligned to me for sure. But all right, you guys already know the drill, right? I give you some quick first impressions on the knife, right? I give you my reactions, especially with this guy, right? This whole shark lock being a first in the channel, a first for me, obviously. So I'm super excited, stoked to carry this guy on a daily basis for the next week or two and give you guys some substantial feedback as part of a video review. So if you're excited for that, if you're looking forward to that, make sure to like and subscribe. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? Right, those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades, all right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is. But I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you can do it both-handed. So how about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You could fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.